Hey guys, and welcome back. We are at the first couple of days of summer break, right, Sydney?
Yeah.
Did you graduate preschool?
Yeah.
She graduated preschool.
Guess what? I got this for graduating preschool. I was kidding,
I know, you're kidding. Yeah, so she graduated preschool a couple of days ago, and then yesterday, or actually the day that she graduated preschool, we spent the entire day with my mom. So she did like the graduation thing, which was adorable, precious, emotional, like all of the above. It was just perfect. And then, sorry, my camera doesn't want to focus on me when I have sunglasses on. And then we went into, we did mini golf at the dinosaur mini golf place down the road.
They're very nice.
Yes.
Sydney! Again?
Hole in one, that's her second one. And then went out to lunch and then went to the beach. So we had a very long day, the day of graduation. Are you hot?
I'm hungry.
Oh, that's the issue. So we had a really awesome day of graduation. And then yesterday we just played outside. We had a play date all day yesterday, playing in like the water slide, sprinkle, pad, water play, and all of that.
And guess what? Today we're gonna go strawberry picking.
So this morning we are gonna head and go strawberry picking. It's gonna be a scorcher, so hopefully we don't melt. But yeah, loving the weather. We are officially in summer weather here, so summer vacation has started. Strawberry picking is on the agenda, and then I don't know what else. Definitely some sprinklers, sprinkle pad, play. But yeah, we are vlogging today, a little day in the life. Thanks, babe. Thank you, baby. So good.
Yeah. Does it taste like good too?
Strawberry picking was so hot. I am sweating. Not complaining at all. My main body is not used to 80-degree weather, but I am welcoming it. So Sydney's outside right now with a friend and playing in the sprinkler, and I'm gonna make her some lunch. So just turkey, cucumbers, and like crackers or something. She'll probably pick at it since she's busy playing. She's probably not gonna want to sit down to eat, but that's probably what we'll do for the rest of today, is play in the water, ignore housework. That's it. And then tomorrow, wait, yeah, today's Sunday. Okay, so tomorrow Sydney has her first gymnastics class, and I'm super pumped about that. I don't know what to expect, and she is very, very excited about that. And we'll see if we can go. I think also they're having a library at our local library on Mondays. They do like story time, and we've never been. They just started it a couple of weeks ago, and so they usually do it outside, but it might rain, so they might have to bring it inside. But we'll see where we're at tomorrow. So I look like a grease chicken because I have loads of sunscreen on and I'm sweating because we've been outside playing. So it's 3 o'clock now and I am implementing some quiet time for Sydney. So she's up in her room. She does have her tablet. She's watching Sing 2, like the rest of it. She had watched some of it yesterday. So she's finishing Sing 2. I'm gonna have quiet time for an hour. So at 4 o'clock, I will go get her. And like I said, we had a play date. We've been playing outside so much with friends. But I think I'm gonna implement the quiet time most days this summer just for survival mode, because there's so much more energy that we're spending outside, you know, playing and water play and beach and running, just so much. And then it's hot on top of that. And then also for both of our sanity, I think some structured quiet time is going to be like it. Yesterday, Cindy did take an 1.5-hour nap. I was happy that she was taking a nap because she needed it since we were so busy the day before with her graduation. But then she didn't fall asleep until 11 o'clock at night. And I knew that was going to happen, so it was like a risk I was willing to take. But so some of the days I think she might fall asleep for a nap depending on how tired she is, and then others she, you know, might not, and might just have some screen time or like looking at books, stuffed animals, just chilling, laying down. So since it's hot out, I didn't feel like cooking, but I have chicken that I really wanted to make because I needed some protein in my life. So I just went ahead and baked off 3 chicken tenders, and I have this barbecue one-on-one seasoning from Trader Joe's all over them. I haven't tried this yet, but I just got this on my most recent haul. So I went ahead and sprinkled that all over the chicken and a little bit of olive oil as well. And I'm gonna make some bowls. Since it is hot, I don't want to have any like hot heavy meal. So I am gonna go ahead and cook this brown ready rice in the microwave. We have mixed greens, peppers, avocado, tomato. Sydney's squealing. And then I'm gonna pour a little bit of ranch on the top, and that will be our dinner. And I do have tortilla chips that I can probably crush up and put that in there as well. So just kind of a makeshift dinner with whatever ingredients I have on hand. Alright, so this is what my bowl looks like. I just decided to drizzle the ranch and then a little bit of honey barbecue sauce on top. And that is dinner. I am super pumped, super hungry. Lots of nice fresh like veggies in there, some protein as well. Oh no, I forgot to put on mascara. I have all of my makeup done and no mascara, so.
Oh, that's so funny.
Anywho, I guess I'll put a mascara later when we get back home. Sydney and I are headed to...
My doggy was saying hi to you, and so I turned to at you, Mama.
Okay. Anyway, so we are heading to our local library. They do a story time, and it is a rainy Monday morning, so it'll be a perfect little activity to do. Usually they would do it outside, but since it's raining, I think it's going to be inside. Which is fine. Maybe not as like fun and festive summertime story time, but it'll be fine. So we'll go to the local library, do that, and then possibly browse, who knows. And she has gymnastics later today, so that is on the agenda. Just kind of like keeping busy, a little cozy rainy day, and that'll be fun.
Stand up and spin right around. Good job. Or, that's right, you can
do wheels on the bus. Very good. What did you think?
It was great.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
It was geared towards just a little bit younger, but it was fun. A fun way to spend our morning. They did a bunch of songs, a couple of books. She got a little craft kit to make. They always do crafts for little kids. I love it. So it's an ocean theme. And then you picked out books, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So we picked out 3 books. And then they're also having a little under the sea dance party tonight from 6 to 7, and they announced it, and Sydney says she wants to go. So we might have a busy day. We have gymnastics from 3 to 4, and then the dance party from like 6 to 7:30, but you can come and go whenever you want. We'll see where the day takes us, but Sydney's all excited. She picked out, what books did you pick out? You're looking at them right now. All animal books. Huh? All right, so I just spent the last hour editing, importing footage, and working on the computer a little bit. Sydney has been watching Sing 2. Our TV like doesn't work, so she's been watching Sing 2 on her tablet ever since it hit Netflix. And now we are ready for gymnastics. I put her in her dance outfit. I'm not sure if she can wear it because it has this like a skirt. So I'm packing some bike shorts and whatnot. I don't know, since this is our first class, I don't know what they expect of us. And yeah, I think Sydney's excited, a little nervous, but excited nonetheless. And I also emailed myself some stuff so I can like edit a thumbnail and things while her class is about an hour. So I'll be able to get some work done while she has her class too. What are you doing?
Now I know.
She's getting ready to do a somersault. Go ahead.
From my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Sydney had a blast. She had so much fun, worked up a lot of energy, worked out a lot of energy, and she was the youngest, smallest one there. But it's like a broad age group from 5 up, and they all have to start in this class, so you know, but she had fun, and that's all that matters. I'm curious to know what her progress is going to be, and just to see like how much she improves throughout this summer. So I was happy to see that she didn't get frustrated if she couldn't do something. She looked like she still was having fun, and the instructor was helping. But yeah, she was definitely the smallest little peanut there. But it was really cute and super legit, like a super legit thing. So she's super excited to go back next week. I'm doing quick mac and cheese dinner because my little social butterfly, I don't know where she gets it from, but my little social butterfly wants to go to the library and see what the Under the Sea party is all about. We're probably only gonna stay for a little bit because Mama is zonked. I'm ready to unwind, take a shower and go to bed, but that's not gonna happen for me tonight. Maybe that will happen tomorrow night. But she's having a blast, and that's all that matters. So I think we've had a successful first couple of days of summer break.
From a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
Yeah, you know you got this,
I know I should be moving.
Some more frosting. Yeah.
I keep on trying till it bends, still it feels like I pretend.